Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to play Xbox Game Pass games on your PC. Xbox Game Pass for PC gives you access to a large library of games that you can download and play with a single subscription. Depending on your plan, you also get access to day one releases from Xbox Game Studios, exclusive member discounts, EA Play titles, and with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate cloud gaming for supported games. Before you begin, make sure your PC meets the game's system requirements, has enough storage space, and is running a supported version of Windows. Now let's get started. First, turn on your PC and make sure you're connected to the internet. Now download and install the Xbox app from the Microsoft Store if you haven't already. Once it's installed, open the Xbox app. Now sign in with the Microsoft account that has your Xbox Game Pass subscription. After signing in, click the Game Pass tab from the left side. Here you'll see the full Game Pass library with featured games, new releases, and recommended titles. Browse the available games or use the search bar to find a specific game. When you find a game you want to play, click on it to open its details page. Now click Install and choose the drive where you want to save the game. Wait for the download and installation to finish. Once the game is installed, click Play to launch it. If you're an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate member and the game supports cloud gaming, you may also see a play button that lets you start playing instantly without downloading the game. Make sure your Windows PC is updated and has enough storage space for the games you want to install for the best gaming experience. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.